The mainsim Advanced Dashboard module we present here is the analytical platform par excellence, a vital hub for management strategy and business process optimization. This powerful tool transforms data into operational insights, providing a comprehensive overview of performance through indicators, reports, and in-depth analysis. As you can see, this is an intuitive dashboard where users can view key metrics such as service level, maintenance backlog, work order trends, and the distribution of activities by asset and by manager. Each indicator, from service metrics like work orders closed within 30 days or on time, to maintenance metrics like mean time between failures, is designed to provide an immediate understanding of the operational status and improvement opportunities. You should envision this dashboard as divided into 3 areas: metrics pertaining to service level, metrics related to maintenance and maintenance engineering, metrics and indicators that belong to the economic and cost aspect. Let's delve into themes concerning the service level. Imagine being in charge of a service contract related to the facility management of a significant building complex. Through this group of KPIs, you will be able to answer inquiries such as: how efficient is the fault request management system? How efficient is the process of managing scheduled interventions? How many or which work orders have been left unfinished? How much time elapses between the failure and the reporting of the anomaly? Does the management process present any bottlenecks? Let's focus, for example, on this point and analyze these data. Here we see that each color represents a specific moment in the process. So we have the average duration times of a work order in each of these groups. In red, for instance, are the phases related to the opening, in orange, the approval, in green, the execution, and so on. You will be able to identify the bottlenecks in your processes, analyze the data with your colleagues and superiors, and understand where to work to improve your performance and achieve your goals. Now, move on to the second group, metrics related to maintenance and maintenance engineering. Let's put ourselves in the shoes of a director of a production plant in the metallurgy field. You might need information such as how much time passes between 2 consecutive anomalies on the same asset. On average, how much time is needed to resolve an anomaly? How many anomalies have occurred for a specific asset? Which assets have shown the most anomalies? What is the repair time? Let's focus on the time between 2 consecutive anomalies on the same asset, what is commonly referred to as MTBF, mean time between failure. Here we see an analysis on this topic that will allow our manager to implement appropriate maintenance strategies starting from this and other complementary evaluations. Finally, the dashboard allows managers to examine costs broken down by labor, materials, and services, and to assess the distribution of costs by maintenance process and asset hierarchy, ensuring informed and targeted financial management. These analyses are part of the third block of indicators, namely those related to costs. Here, for example, we find an evaluation of the costs of materials. Additionally, the quantities moved are also analyzed to make all appropriate assessments on stock levels. Imagine an executive relying on the advanced dashboard to guide the maintenance policies of critical infrastructure. With just a few clicks, they can identify areas where efficiency can be improved, thus optimizing resources and reducing costs. It will then be easy to answer questions such as, how much did maintenance cost during a specific period for a specific asset? How much did labor contribute to the total cost? Or how much did the cost of spare parts contribute to the total cost? Planning has never been so informed, with the ability to analyze performance in real time and adapt operational strategies instantly. In summary, the mainsim Advanced Dashboard not only provides a detailed overview of daily operations, but also acts as a strategic compass for navigating towards optimal management, ensuring that the organization operates with maximum effectiveness and efficiency. Follow the next video to explore how mainsim's advanced indicators, detailed reports, and data analysis can take your organization to new heights of performance and productivity.